Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this headband wig from Unice Wigs, so stay tuned. This is definitely one you don't want to miss. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So this hair is from Unice, like I said. It came in this box, and this is going to be their new headband wig, so I'm super excited to try this one out. So this is what's in the box. It just comes with like a little sticky for the headband. This is the actual headband, so it's like a nice little floral. We have a wig cap, and then we have the actual hair. So this hair, I did get it in a water wave, and this is in 18 inches. So I'm excited to try that out. I always wanted to try like some cute water wave hair, so this is gonna be my first time. And yeah, so I'm going ahead removing the net, and this should be like a natural hair color. It's a 1B, so as you guys can see, it's nice and wavy. So yeah, this is really cute, nice little wave to the hair. And as you can see, it does have the attachable headband like a headband wig should have on it, and then it has the little combs inside so that it's secure and not going anywhere. So there's one there's one big clip on both sides. So there's one at the top and one at the bottom, so you have two clips, and then of course the velcro that secures the headband in place on your head. And then this is just the headband that came with it. If I want to change out my headband and don't want to just have the same black headband on, I can of course put this cute little floral one on, and this one actually ties around your head. But as you guys know, with the headband wigs, you can use any headband that you like to do this. So for preparation, I already slicked back my hair some, and I also laid my baby hairs. So baby hairs are laid, and then I laid down the front, and I just kind of did like a slick all to the back. But underneath it, you guys, my hair is in braids, so I did like a leave out area where I could just slick it back, and then the rest is in braids under here, because with my headband wig, I do like to leave just a little bit of the front out, because I just feel like it makes it look more natural, and you know, just I don't know, I just feel like it looks like it's almost your hair coming out of your head. So I like to do that. But also you don't have to. You can put it at the very top of your head and have no hair out whatsoever. Like, this is a headband wig. You can be as lazy as you want. It makes a perfect protective style. You can have your hair fully braided and just leave it alone. So I'm taking my wig cap, and I'm just going to place that on and hopefully not mess up my hair too much. So yeah, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do this and just put it on. And this is human hair as well. And it's such a good beginner friendly wig, you guys. Like, there's not much you have to do with this hair at all. That's why I really love headband wigs. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, make sure that's in there, and just snap it closed. I'm gonna fix the front in a second. Just making sure that's on. Okay, so this is the hair fresh out of the box. Really cute. I feel like the more you play with it and just like, you know, run your fingers through, it's going to give it that more natural look. Because right now it just looks a little too perfect with the wave. But when you play in it, it'll look more natural. And then of course you can always wet it. But you guys know how I am with wanting my hair big and dry and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and just lay the top down flatter so it can look a little bit more natural. So as usual, I just take some water and some mousse, and this is optional. Like, if you fine with the way that it looks right now, then you don't have to do anything. Like I said, this is so like lazy friendly, but I'm of course adding extra steps because that's just my preference for the wig. But go ahead, a little bit, because I like the top to kind of lay down. That's it. So simple, looks very, very natural. I'm gonna show you guys the headband on it. So this is the little floral it comes with, and you can easily just put it over it and just tie it in the back. That's it. And if you guys didn't know, with the headband wigs, you can wear your hair in so many different ways. I did see like on Amazon they had it kind of like flipped over. This hair is available on Amazon, so I will of course have everything linked in the description box below. But you can do this little flip over, which is super cute. You can do a pony. I saw a high little pony they did, and I thought it was so cute. They did like a half up, half down kind of look, so you can do that as well. I think I would really like that hairstyle with this hair. I'm gonna get a scrunchie. Okay, so like I was saying, on the website I saw like in one of the photos like a cute half up, half down, which is one way I feel like I would really love to wear this hair. This hair is gorgeous. Just a beautiful, beautiful water wave. You could always do a half up with a bun as well, but I'm just gonna do a little quick pony to give you guys an idea. But you can always do this kind of look and go. So cute. And I tend to like just a little bit more of my hair showing, but that's fine. I can leave more of it out later. But this is the look. I think the 18 inches is perfect. They do have different hair lengths you can check out on the website, of course. So yeah, this is really cute. Should probably like have it go to the back. But y'all, I really love these headband wigs because your hair is just done so fast and you can go for the day. I'm really excited to see what this hair looks like wet as well. I'm gonna just wet it a little bit so you guys can see. I'm not gonna fully drench it or anything, but just to get an idea of what it looks like wet, because when it's dry, you guys can obviously see it's gonna dry in this little, just a wavy look. Oh y'all, this is super cute wet. I always love like big hair when it's dry, but this is so cute. This is so cute. So pretty. I feel like headband wigs make such good like vacation hair. So cute. But yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Unice wigs. They will be linked in the description box below. Comment down below what you think of this water wave headband wig, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.